You are now ready to begin working with the PAK 200. Remove any twists or loops in the leads between the torch and power supply, as they may encumber your movement. Experiment with the trigger sensitivity while wearing safety gloves. Practice moving the torch along the work as if cutting or gouging to get a feel for how it will handle when operating. Turn on the power supply. Allow approximately 20 seconds for the unit to fully power up, indicated by the illuminated green LEDs on the front panel. Now, adjust the output gas pressure using the knobs in the gas console. Set the plasma pressure to 70 psi and the secondary to 60 psi. Set the output current with the current control knob located on the front of the gas console. The three key elements to achieve consistent quality cuts are torch standoff height, cut speed, torch angle. When cutting at maximum output, the torch tip should be held approximately 3/8 of an inch or 10 millimeters above the work surface. Too high or too low, and the cut performance will deteriorate. Varying the tip height while cutting will help to determine the correct height for optimum cutting performance. With height established, cut speed is the next factor to determine. As you begin cutting, observe the angle of the arc as it passes through the material. Typically, the arc should maintain a trailing angle of approximately 50 to 60 degrees to the work surface. Increase the speed, and the arc will approach a trailing angle of 45 degrees, considered the limit for controlling cut quality. Travel too fast, and the angle of the arc will decrease, approaching a parallel angle with the work as the speed increases. Travel too slowly, and the angle will increase towards the perpendicular. Factors that will affect cut speed are material type and thickness, as well as the output current of the machine. It's important to balance the output power in relationship to the material in order to achieve a comfortable travel speed. Traveling too fast because the current is set too high will create inaccuracy in the cut. Traveling too slowly will create excess dross. Finally, the torch should be slightly angled toward the direction of the cut to improve arc penetration.